Aastrid Life Sciences Private Limited is an acclaimed research-oriented company
specializing in the development and manufacturing of niche pharma intermediates and specialty chemicals for related industries.
We consistently set new benchmarks in ingenuity and performance and are committed to be socially and environmentally responsible while delivering at competitive prices in both domestic and global markets. Aastrid International started out as a 100% export company in 1997, dealing in active pharmaceutical ingredients and intermediates.
The focus was on exports of APIs mainly to non-regulated markets like Africa, Middle East, Latin America and Southeast Asia.
The initial years were not easy, with many ups and downs. But these formative years helped Aastrid establish themselves, acquire a significant customer base,
and develop a reputation as a reliable, ethical and committed supplier. After gaining experience in pharma for more than a decade, we decided to take a plunge into manufacturing.
And in 2011 founded Aastrid Life Sciences. The first step we took was to invest in a state-of-the-art R&D setup. We did this first so that we didn't have to depend on others for technology for manufacturing.
Looking into dependency on China for sourcing pharma intermediates, we decided to capitalize on this opportunity and get into the manufacturing of import substitute and niche intermediates.
By the end of 2012, the first manufacturing plant at Mahad started operations. We basically work on the process development. Our team is experienced, competent, and capable of developing intermediates by using various routes of synthesis to make it more viable, competitive, and environment friendly.
In addition to identifying import substitute products, our customers would request Aastrid for products which they were not able to source from elsewhere or for which they were looking for alternative sources to China.
Now, Aastrid has been the first to develop many intermediates which have proved immensely successful in both Indian and global markets, enhancing our reputation further as trendsetters in innovation, quality, and timely delivery. In the last 10 years, Aastrid has developed more than 450 different molecules which are at various stages of development.
And we have commercialized more than 50 products. Today, Aastrid has more than 100 customers all over the world, including a number of multinationals and top pharma companies in India.
I have found Aastrid Life Sciences one of the best suppliers. They are very responsive with excellent R&D, scale-up, documentation and production know-how.
They have developed some very challenging and complex intermediates for us. Their R&D capabilities and process optimization are fantastic, their timings are reliable and the quality is excellent. They are a pleasure to work with, providing accurate and regular updates throughout the process.
They always deliver on their promises and are a pleasure to deal with. I would place them in the highest possible category in this field in India.
Our full-fledged R&D setup includes both synthesis and analytical development labs. We also have multi-purpose manufacturing facility with a pilot plant.
Having all this under one roof gives us tremendous flexibility. This results in quick decision making and reduces the turnaround time for developing and manufacturing as per the client's requirement. Ultimately, we believe in having a happy work environment.
We have big targets and goals, but we try to look after the dreams and aspirations of our employees.
Their growth and satisfaction is as important to us as our profits. The pharma industry has also acknowledged Astrid's exceptional performance. In 2018, Astrid received an award under the Make in India Enablement category at the India Pharma Awards.
As a consequence of the remarkable growth in last decade, Astrid has recently commissioned a greenfield project. We now have a world-class manufacturing facility at Mahad, spread over 24,000 square meters and equipped with state-of-the-art machinery and technology.
With such a facility at its disposal, Astrid hopes to expand its capabilities,
Accelerate performance and soar to even greater heights.
We welcome you all to be a part of our journey.